Self-inspection, also called an internal audit, is a systematic review performed by pharmaceutical companies to verify that daily operations follow GMP requirements. Many companies already have SOPs, systems, and protocols, but self-inspection verifies whether actual workplace practices truly match what is written in those documents. The biggest purpose of self-inspection is identifying weaknesses internally. This must be done before external inspectors discover them during regulatory audits.
I agree with these findings.
Every finding is an opportunity to improve systems, strengthen procedures, reduce risks, and continuously enhance pharmaceutical quality standards. Choosing the audit team. Trained personnel from different departments are selected to conduct audits independently and provide unbiased observations. Quality assurance prepares the audit plan, using risk assessments and previous findings, and current regulatory expectations. Departments are informed about the audit scope, inspection date, and schedule, so everyone is aware of the upcoming review. On audit day, the team reviews batch records, equipment logs, cleaning procedures, and employee training documentation. Every observation is documented in a standard format. This ensures traceability, consistency, and accountability. Whenever actual practice differs from approved procedures, the difference is documented as a deviation, requiring corrective action. After the inspection is complete, all findings are evaluated, classified by risk level, and compiled into a comprehensive audit report. Each observation is carefully assessed to determine its potential impact on product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. Based on audit findings, departments develop corrective and preventive action plans. These plans eliminate issues and prevent recurrence. Teams implement approved actions, such as procedure updates and retraining programs. Equipment improvements and process corrections are completed. This ensures effective operations. Before closing the audit, the organization verifies that corrective actions are effective and the original issue has been resolved. All audit documents must be securely maintained and readily available for future inspections and regulatory review. Well-maintained audit records demonstrate compliance and help organizations confidently face regulatory inspections. Self-inspection is vital. Without periodic reviews, organizations may overlook weaknesses and assume that everything is operating perfectly. Fresh eyes often identify concerns that routine teams may no longer notice in their daily activities. The ultimate goal of self-inspection is continuous improvement, stronger compliance, and higher product quality every day.